In the world of classic El Caminos and GMC Sprints, performance, reliability, and clean restoration matter. And when it's time to upgrade your fuel system, CPP has the answer. Introducing the tank's incorporated 20-gallon galvanized steel gas tank, which is engineered specifically for 1971 to 1972 Chevrolet El Camino and GMC Sprint models. Available from Classic Performance Products Incorporated. This direct-fit tank is more than just a replacement, it's a serious upgrade. Crafted from galvanized steel for long-lasting corrosion resistance and designed to tuck cleanly between the frame rails, just like the factory intended. Want that classic look with modern performance? This tank supports your fuel system needs without sacrificing originality. Featuring 20 gallons of fuel capacity. Fuel injection ready, includes two-piece neck design that simply connects with supplied 2-inch ID rubber hose. Uses GPA 2 and 4 series fuel pumps, available separately. Uses aftermarket 5-bolt senders available separately, multiple ohm ranges available to work with factory 0 to 90 ohm, or aftermarket gauges. If using tube sender or reed sender, length is 6 inches, EFI-style internal baffling with extra-large 4.8-liter dual-tube baffled fuel tray to prevent fuel pump starvation. Fuel pump and sender available separately are recessed in the tank for easy installation with no modification needed to your car. Looks like an OE tank when installed. Galvanized steel, then powder-coated silver, and classic performance tech support which helps you get it done once and get it done right. Order yours today at classicperform.com or use the link in the description. And give your El Camino or Sprint the upgrade it deserves. Classic Performance Products. Modern performance for classic rides. Thanks for watching. If you're ready to upgrade your classic car or truck with performance you can trust, just click the link in the description or head over to classicperform.com and check out our full line of suspension, steering, and brake solutions. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap that bell so you never miss a build breakdown, install guide, or performance tip.